Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Yesterday we saw about the point-to-site VPN. Today we're going to see about site-to-site connection using RRAS. Okay, let us start our session today. Before we start the site-to-site connection, S2S, we need some prerequisites for these things. First of all, we need to some basics request like just create the Windows 2016 in the VM, and we create the VPN gateway and LAN gateway and connection. These are the three things we need to perform this operation. Then we need to enable the RRAS remote and routing and remote access service in the server manager. If these only the 3 points only are main prerequisites for to perform this operation. So yesterday I'm detailing elaborate about the VPN gateway creation. Like we can continue with the same like today also. First of all, we need to create a virtual network gateway. I'm saying about how to create the virtual network gateway. First of all, go to the Microsoft search bar and just type the virtual network gateway. Then you can get the recording. Okay, fine. Then you can get the virtual network gateway. Just click the virtual network gateway like a log symbol there, and just create the new virtual gateway. You need to give the some basics detail like a subscription, resource group name. This is our VPN name, VPN gateway, and select the East US and select the gateway type. Here we need to select the type is VPN and route based, and we need to select the generation 2 also here. Then after that we need to give some some basics like next tab gateway connections. We just get the gateway from give the gateway for range and give the public address IP address. The public IP, if you have an existing IP public IP, you can use that IP. If you don't have an public IP existing IP, just use that new public IP. Just create new and give the name of public IP name, and as it is all our default one only, and disable things, config BGP and everything. Just click review, and you can now a VPN gateway is successfully created. Here yesterday we are performing point to site, so we can go to this point to site configuration. Just we can perform those things. Today we're going to perform site to site. So this is the first prerequisite is completed. Second point is we need to create the local network gateway. So again, go to the Microsoft search bar and just click the and type local network gateway. You can get this option and just go with that local network gateway and click create a local network gateway connection. First of all, just give the resource group and create the region and just give the name. To find out those things, I'm just giving as it is same name, just LAN work. Just give the IP address here and give the IP address of the system. Means we need to give the on-prem system IP address. Here we need to give this IP address, and address range also we need to give that about on-prem IP range. Then review and create. That's it. Local network gateway is now created. Then after that we need to third point is we need to create the connection for the VPN connection. We need to create. Just go to the VPN page, VPN. We can side the right side. So in the left side of corner we can see the connection option. Just click the connection and click add. Just give out the name and click OK. Means you can get this connection. Here the status is not connected. We after the perform operation succeed, we can see here it's succeeded, connected like that. You can get that when okay guys, this is a connection creation point. Just we need to give the name and whatever we can just select that site to site and give the this share key PSK is nothing but this a password like that. when you're going to create the, when you start the connecting from RRAS, means you're on-prem to Azure, you need to give this password, then only it authenticate successfully completed. You can see here it's showing unknown. It takes a little bit time, and after that it will be enabled here. It's showing this connected. We created 3 things. What are the things means? See, first one, we created the VPN gateway. Second one, we create the LAN gateway. After that, we create the connection. In this Azure point of view, Azure part, we can complete all the 3 things. Then we moving to the on-premise, means we can create the RRAS, enable the RRAS. So we can just move to the VM, just open the server manager and go to add roles and future. Here just enable the routing and direct access. We can see this remote access here. Just click the enable that button, remote access. Then you can just add those features here and install. After the installation complete, just close it out and restart the system VM. Then you can find out the get the remote access is in the greenly enabled, good sign. After that, go to the server manager and select the tool option, and downside you can find out the routing and remote access option. Just click it out once, and you can see after that this window is pop up for you. Then after that, just click on this and start the server. See, I'm just right click on it and config and enable the routing and remote access. I just give this option, and after that this red mark will be changed to green. Then after that, select this. This option will be we need to select that welcome routing. These are the process for these things. That's why I am showing. Just click next here, and after that you need to select here for what purpose configuration going to. Just we give the customized configuration. We can select the customized configuration here. Then we moving to next slide. It's showing it's asking some what are the customized configuration, like that. We going to select the VPN access, dial up, and as well as we also enable the LAN routing. Also we need to enable here. Just enable the 3 things. After that, if you give this enable direct access, it will take some time. And see here, I'm going this server and all task and click start for this. After start this access, it's take some times to start. You can see now here this is showing in the green signal, like server is up. After that, just double click on that. You can see the remote network interface. You can see there. Just click on that interface and create the new network interface. Just right click on that, and you can new demand dial interface. Just click that again, and you can get these things. Just give the name. That's nothing but that's a interface name. Just so I'm giving this Azure JK is my interface name. Just click next here. After that, we need to give the network support using IPv4. What range you exactly know? For example, my system system private IP is the 10.10.0.5 something there. So I am giving this starting point 10.10.00. It's a default, and giving downside network mask, and give the merit as a 10. Click OK. Then after that, you can just this is showing you can find Azure JK demand dial enabled. It's showing this disconnected status. After connecting the these 2 things, means on-prem and site to on-prem and Azure, you can it's showing here is a connected state. Just go and click on that and click connect option. There you can see this go to the Azure properties, just select security, As it is, I'm already told during this connection creation, this Azure part, we need to give some pre-shared keys. So just select this and give those that key and click OK there. And after the after stored that thing, you can just come back again. You just click connect. Like this, this is the interface of loading connecting. After that, it will showing like that. It will be enabled, like connected. We can see the here. This is connector. In this if we go to the VPN and see this connection part, we can see this is status is now in this connected site to site type. Site to site is now connected state. That's it, guys, about this site to site connection establishment. uh, Once again, I'm explain you again. Just first we need to create the Windows server and install the RRAS, enable the RRAS. After that, we just create the VPN in the Azure portal. After creating VPN, and you need to give the LAN, local network gateway. You need to create the local network gateway. This local network gateway, using this local network gateway, we can going to communicate with this specializedly find out the which system we going to exactly connect, because we going to give the local network gateway. Just we give here our on-premises IP address of the system. Just give that and give the address space for that also, and just create the local network. After that, come back again to connection. If you search in this type search bar, just click type connection, you can find same, or else you come again, see here this connection option is there. Just click the connection, just create the new connection there. After creating the new connection, it's showing the status is not connected. All the prerequisites are completed now. Now we're going to just connect the RRAS. RRAS means on premises to Azure using site-to-site connection. How can we meet? Just we going to config all those things, whatever we are created. This connection, this part which I explain about this. If we go to the connection, you can see this. Like we need to select during this connection creation, we going to select the local network gateway, exactly which we established a connection between VPN and on premises, which LAN we need to select. Means here we can see Jagdish Orji using this resource group and name. We select that particular thing, and the connection is created. After the connection is created, we can just going to on-prem and add those features to remote access, routing and direct access. Just we add the features. After that, we going to server manager, go to the tools and go to the routing and remote access. After go to that, just we need to start the server, start the thing. After that configuration and enable routing remote access is completed, we're going to create the new interfaces. Just click this is all of the starting process. Just go just click go to all task and just start. It will be server will be changed to green signal. Here server is up in this up state. After that, if you see the green signal, then you can come back again with this and just create the network interface and new network interface and give the network interface name and IP. After that, enable that, you complete all those things. Just after that, you need to just click next only. You no need to do any changes. In this part only going to changes. That's why I'm added this pick only here there. Just give the name and just go to network interface that's created is there. Then now in the disconnected state, again you need to go and add the pre-shared key in this on-prem Azure JK. We need to add pre-shared key. Go to the properties, Azure properties, and select security. and check it. It is in the IKEv2 authenticate type. Just go to select the key and give the pre-shared key. Give the pre-shared key. After that, just select it and click connect. It will be getting connected. If you get here connected, it may take 2-3 minutes to it will be reflected in this Azure portal. During that time, you can just refresh these things. If it not happen, means you need to refresh the whole page of this Microsoft Azure. Then after that, you can connect it. That's it, guys. To create the site-to-site connection establishment in this slide. Anybody have doubt on this establishment site-to-site connection? If you have any doubt, means ask me, or else we can close this session now. Guys, any questions for anyone?
No, Jagdish.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now we let's close the session. Okay.